watching, bring your car here. You would not be disappointed. I can promise you that.
Thank you. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's an awesome Monday here at Late Model Racecraft. I like Mondays because me and Frankie pretty much live on the dyno to baseline all the cars. We just had transport show up to ship 2 cars out of state, and we just had 2 more show back up. So Monday mornings usually consist of us test driving, looking cars over, and baseline them to make sure that everything's in working order before we start on our packages. As you can see, Frankie has already checked the vehicle in, has the work order in it, and as you'll see, we always put protective on the seats, the cover, steering wheel. This is a 2019, looks like LMR butts from Gray, Georgia. Love Georgia customers, they're my favorite. They're always good customers. I always like racing their cars, so I like guys from Georgia getting our 850 flex package. Just baselined it, and then I pull. So after, when they first show up, we baseline them, get a horsepower, torque reading, air, fuel, make sure everything's in working order, which this car is 100% stock 2019. And then I pull all the tune files right now. So I'm reading the ECM, then I'm gonna read the TCM, which is a 19, so we'll have to send that off to get unlocked from HP tuners. And then it will go on one of these technicians' racks next. But this one's right on par. Again, if y'all watch our videos, I always say automatics are around 535 to 550 rear wheel horsepower stock, and we are right there. 538 was the lowest, 542 was the highest, and 581, 587, 578 torque. Stock boost levels right at 10 pounds of boost. So when this thing's done, we'll be turning the boost up. Usually 11, 12 pounds of boost. We don't turn them up too much because the stock blower, we don't like them heat soaking. So this one will be hopefully high 600s on pump gas and 730, 750 rear wheel horsepower on E85 when we're done. But yeah, super clean car. Black is hard to keep clean, and I think it does have like 19,000 miles on it. So I don't know if he just got ceramic coating done to it or not, but super clean, don't see any crazy scratches in it. And again, that is part of our check-in process that Frankie does, is looks over the whole vehicle, make sure there's no scratches on the wheels, no curb checks, no scratches on the car, and also interior. We always like to take pictures of the interior in case seats are ripped or buttons are worn out on dashes and stuff like that. But it's a 19, so it's a really nice condition, a really good car.
What kind of music I'm going to pull into this one?
I was just, my media guy was just video everything you can.
All right, yeah. Yeah, I was like, he was just like, yeah, man, you got some videos coming up, and I was just like, oh, damn, I look forward to it. Hell, I like looking on YouTube. I'm sitting looking at all the videos you be sitting.
So that's quiet, exhaust closed. Open.
Shit.
Just act like I told you before, like you're driving on the highway, your Hellcat pulls up next to you, you just manual mode, downshift, and again we're on street tires, so traction control on. I'm gonna be super careful here. I'm gonna do second gear. It's gonna spin a little bit, but traction control should help us. And it just shifts all by itself.
Yeah. Oh shit.
And then you just put it back in drive to cruise again. It's good, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna put it in manual mode.
Okay.
First gear. Upshift to second. He said normally I go from third, but I'm gonna leave traction control on, and we'll do so. Like I said, with Toyos, this is how, if I was you, this is how I'd race your car. Put it in second gear with the Toyos on it.
Goddamn, that's fucking dope. Oh shit.
And it makes it pretty easy. Like I said, like that's factory tires on it. Again, those of y'all watching, y'all can't see it, but traction control lights sitting there flashing at us like crazy. It's doing its job in second. But once it grabbed third, fourth, and fifth, it was great.
God damn.
Pulls good in third and fourth, right?
Oh my god, yes. Yes. Yes.
And like I said, with the Toyos on it, it won't, like it'll hit way harder and go in second gear.
Wow.
It won't, it's limiting us like 50% because it's trying to hook up in second.
Those who watching, bring your car here. You would not be disappointed. I can promise you that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I try to keep them reliable. Like I've been doing this for 20 years, and you always want to build the baddest, fastest cars possible.
Right.
But man, I learned 5 years into it.
Yeah.
Like you can't put every car on the edge. You know, it's just not worth it. I'd rather make 20 horsepower less and do that 100 times than make 20 horsepower more and do it twice and break something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So again, I design these packages as best as possible so that we can do this over and over again and have fun.
Dude,
I know plenty of people that mod vehicles that are gearheads and they just get one bad experience with the wrong shop or just mechanically something wrong, and they never want to mod a car again. They're like, man, my car lives in a speed shop more than I keep it in my garage. I'm like, that's no fun.
Yeah, dude. I've been there. I've been there. So
you've done.
Like, yeah, I have been there. So I was out the game for a while. So I had a bad experience. I was just like, I'm not ever doing this again. You know, like, I definitely like how you guys work. Did the research and everything. Seen the reviews.
Did my guys keep you informed through the build?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, they kept me informed, and then on top of that, he always answered the phone.
Okay, good.
Like, it's nothing like calling the shop and see what the status is, and they pick up the phone and let you know right then and there.
Good.
So, and my car wasn't sitting here that long, so that's a big plus.
Yeah, it's only the second week, right?
Yeah, like
I think we had it done last week. To be honest, the weather's been shitty.
Yeah, that's what it was. You had it done.
I had it done last week. I just couldn't test drive because of the weather.
Right. Yep.
But yeah, like I said, I've been doing it 20 years, man. Good help's hard to find. I'm not gonna lie. So that's why I said, dude, just answer the phone, and whether you know the answer or not, just talk to them and say you'll figure it out and call people back. You know, just it's frustrating if you're getting a car built, you're spending a shitload of money, and no one will even tell you what the hell's going on.
Absolutely.
So that sucks.
Yeah.
Pull it in. I'm gonna look at it one more time, and then we'll help you load it up.
Okay, cool.
But
I appreciate it, man. Yes, sir.
Cool. Like I said, if you have any questions when you get back, don't hesitate to call anytime. And if there's ever an issue, we'll be there.
All right. Awesome.
I ain't going nowhere. So.
I like that.
And you're only gonna call me when you want more horsepower. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You're gonna be good.
Yeah. 2 weeks later.
You guys out there sending your cars to us for performance packages now. As always, we've offered this for a couple years now. We've been working with Greg. Just know it is something I highly recommend, especially our customers that do drag race a lot, that do road race a lot, that do put a lot of miles on their car to keep the car protected. So years down the road, the car still looks like a brand new vehicle. And even if 3 years down the road you decide to sell your vehicle and you are a road race guy, and it has, so I've owned my 06 Viper, had this done to it. The front end was beat up. The clear bar looked horrible after road racing it for probably a year and a half. I went to sell the vehicle, ripped that clear bar off, the paint looked brand new. So to me, it's a great investment on your $50,000 car or your $500,000 car. Either way you look at it, it protects the car, protects the paint, keeps the car looking good for now or 5 years from now. So I appreciate everything.
Absolutely.
And again, guys, you local guys that are in Texas, and if you're not, if you already have performance work done by us, or you don't even want performance work and you just want to protect your car, also hit us up and we'll get you squared away.